Good morning, students. So now we are going to start with the new letter, that is F. Okay, F. So we have, this is F and this is big F and this is small f. So let's read this. Now we have F for flower, F for fork. जो spoon होता है जिससे आप मैगी वगैरह खाते हो उसे क्या बोलते हैं, उसे fork बोलते हैं. Okay, then we have F for fire, F for fountain, F for fox, F for four, F for feather, F for finger, F for fly, F for fan, F for father, and F for frog. Okay, so we have flower, fork, fire, fountain, fox, four, feather, fingers, fly, fan, feather, frog. These all are starting with the letter F. Okay, these all words are starting with the letter F. Okay, now we also have F for fan, F for foot, and F for fish. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to trace F. It is very simple. So that is going to be a standing line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. जैसे E को आपने यहाँ पे भी किया था sleeping line, but for F you have to leave it. So it is going to be a standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. This makes your capital F. And how is your small f? For small f you will just do like this, means a bend. You are going to do a kind of a curve, stop at the blue line, and then do a sleeping line. So this gives you a small f. Okay, like this and then like this. So let's do the tracing. आप crayon से करोगे. So we have a standing line, a sleeping line, a sleeping line. Okay, a standing line, a sleeping line, a sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This makes your capital F. And for small f you will do like this. Okay, you are going to do like this, a kind of a hook. Okay, and then a sleeping line. Okay, do like this curve and then a sleeping line. Okay, this makes your small f. So let's write F over here. So we have standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So you will do a standing line from red line to the down blue line, then एक sleeping line करो red line पे और फिर एक middle blue line पे. This makes your F. Very simple. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This is what your F. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This is what? This is your F. Then we have what? This is a small f. So for this what you will do, आप ऐसा curve करोगे, stop over here and then just do a line over here. It is very simple. Just do a curve, stop, and then do a sleeping line. Just do a curve, stop, and then do a sleeping line. This is small f. Okay, this is what? This is small f. Okay, so I want you to practice this big F and small f. Now let's move on over here. Look and write the first letter for each object and say it loud. So we have F for fan. So यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगी, capital F लिखूँगी and यहाँ पे I'm going to write small f. So this is what? F for fan. So we have a standing line, a sleeping line, a sleeping line. So this is what? This is fan. F for fan. Then we have F for frog. Okay, so again a capital F. Okay, F for frog. And then we have F for foot. Okay, this is what? This is foot. So it is going to be F for foot. Okay, F for foot. Then over here we have F for fox. So I'm going to write a small f. Okay, F for fox. Then we have F for fish. Okay, we have F for fish. And then we have F for fountain. ये क्या है? F for what we have? We have F for fountain. Okay, so we have F for fan, F for frog, F for foot, F for fox, F for fish, and F for fountain. Okay, so I want you to complete this page, and page number 50 is going to be for homework. Okay, thank you.